So this one I have taken on a few of my trips already this year. I've taken it on at least 3 of my road trips. It is a great small, well, small to mid-size backpack item for traveling, and you can also use it for your laptop, carrying around your laptop to the office. You can also use it for going to school. This is a great backpack. Like I said, it's small to mid-size, so you can use it as a personal item when you go onto the plane. If you are taking one of those bigger airlines, this would be considered a personal item and fit right under the seat. It also has a handle, as you can see, and wheels. So you can be wheeling it around when you are going through the airport or onboarding your plane. Maybe you're taking it into school, like I said. Kids can be wheeling it around without any problem and not have to get backache if they have a lot of books in their book bag. This is one that I absolutely love because of the pockets. So for pocket organization, you have one pocket in the front here, and it's got a pretty good size amount of space in there for you to load up your items. It also has a little pocket here, so you can be loading up with all types of things. It's got a small little organizer in here for maybe pencils, pens. Maybe you're taking some personal items on the plane, so you want to have a little bit of organization there. And then you have a large pocket in the back here, and it can stow away quite a bit of stuff. I have loaded up the bag more than 25 pounds of weight, and that is why I wanted to have something with wheels, because this gets achy on my back if I have it for too long. So you know, when you're using it as a backpack, you'll pull out your straps, and then you can use it like a backpack and wear it on your back. No problem. The wheels are just stowed right underneath. They're not going to bother your back while you're wearing it. It has a nice flat back stable. And then also, because it is your personal item, it does have a strap on the back that you can use for your carry-on handle, so you can put it right on top of your carry-on bag, and that way you don't have to wheel 2 items at once. It is easy. As you can see, I still have plenty of room on top of my carry-on to be able to take my backpack as well. And then you just stow away your straps for the backpack when you're not using it. That way they don't get caught up in the wheels down below. And then you're all set to go. It's got some pockets on the side that are mesh. Typically will hold your normal sized water bottles and travel cups. And there's one on both sides. And then you've got your handle, so your regular backpack handle, so you can be carrying it around. So if you are putting it in the back of the car for your road trip, it's simple and easy. This is a great find. Like I said, make sure you hit that, add it to your cart, and get your travel backpack today.